Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to transfer Bybit to your Web3 wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer your Bybit to a Web3 wallet, you need to simply navigate to your Bybit account. So once you navigate to your Bybit account and tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, you will have different kind of options right over there. So you need to now simply locate your assets section. So once you locate your asset section, you will be ending up in this kind of interface where you can find the option to initiate a withdrawal. So simply tap on withdrawal, and once you do this, you need to now simply choose Bybit wallet from the withdrawal options. Simply select the preferred crypto and simply your Web3 wallet address will be pre-populated, but double check it to initiate the transfer. Now, after you have selected the appropriate blockchain network as well, you need to specify the amount of assets you want to transfer from your Bybit to Web3 account. After doing this, review the details and confirm the withdrawal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.